This is Mike at Riverview Turfworks. Going to do a little before and after for a little flower bed renovation job. Basically, we're going to come in, pull all the dead shrubs in this bed. In this bed, we're not doing anything up here. We're going to trim everything else. All the boxwoods under this window, under that window, under that window. They're going to get trimmed into, they want to start growing into a hedge, so we're not going to trim in between the plants at all. Everything else we will make sure to get some good separation between the other plants. We're going to cut down this crepe myrtle flush with the ground. And then we're going to pull all the weeds in the beds and install some dark brown dyed mulch afterwards. So this is the finished product. This job ran about $925, including the mulch. Give you an idea on price if you have something similar. You can see we took out quite a bit of stuff and did a bunch of shaping and chopping on all the bushes. This guy doesn't look too good right now. It was grown out over this way onto the shrub that was right here. So we'd trim it back a lot. But it'll fill back in and start looking pretty good. These boxwoods, they're wanting to grow into a hedge, so we didn't trim anything in between them. You can see some of them, like that one looks good on its face. These are pretty bare because they were different depths away from the house, and we had to get them all to be, the same size, so they grow into a nice hedge. Same thing with all the other boxwoods. Took a lot off top of the cedar. The Japanese maple here, they want it to be as low as possible. That's about all we could do with the way it was growing right now, so what they're going to have to do is just train it to grow shorter to keep it that way. They'll just have to trim the new growth off the top pretty frequently. Of course, we didn't do anything to the ornamental grass. It all looks pretty good. They want all these to grow into a hedge as well. Trim this holly about 4 foot or so at the very top. Some new growth that was sticking out there, but turned out pretty good. And then this is dark brown dyed mulch. I got it in nice and thick. Washed off all the water you see is from washing off all our dirty footprints and stuff from walking around in the rain yesterday. The secret to putting in, and you'll have to excuse the grass, it's been raining so much nobody's had time to mow, but the secret to doing a good mulch job is to not spill anything. You can see there's not any spillage over the edge of the landscape brick there. But that's it. If you need any hedge trimming or mulch installation or anything, give us a call or text 479-235-1390. RiverviewTurfworks.com.